Hi, I'm Sue Chang with Concierge Med Solutions, and we are excited to participate in the 25 days of giveaways on the Winter Garden app. At Concierge Med Solutions, we offer regenerative and functional medical practices such as nerve blocks for long COVID, bioidentical hormone optimization, medical weight loss program, and even medical grade aesthetics such as CO2 lasers, and even tattoo removal using our picosecond laser. This year, we're offering 3 prizes. One lucky winner will receive a free Aquafirm Facial. The Aquafirm Facial is a medical-grade facial that is going to deep clean your skin and target anti-aging or inflammation such as acne. A second winner will receive a ZO Skin Health Skincare Kit. And a third lucky winner will receive a complimentary wellness evaluation. Make sure to download the app and enter for your chance to win one of these 3 great prizes. Best of luck and happy holidays from your friends at Concierge Med Solutions.